Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the new 2022 Home Depot 10-foot Halloween classic giant-sized LED Reaper. So I don't really do inflatables on the channel, but I'm going to start doing more inflatables. I do have a lot of inflatables in my display, and the inflatables are a really big part of my display. So I will be starting doing inflatables. There's a comparison. I don't know if it'll fit in here. This is 10 foot, so 10 foot ceiling, so hopefully it does fit, but it might not. Hopefully it does though. Let's get it out. And they are taping it the new way, which is a little odd. Didn't tape it this way, but it does make it easier to open when it's taped this way, so I do like that. Adds like a little odd way to tape a box. Sticks, tethers, the instructions, which I will not need because I already know how to set it up, and the actual inflatable. It's very cool. Put the box off to the side, and here is the inflatable. Oop, that doesn't sound very good. It does have a base fan. I'm glad. I didn't think I'd have a base fan just because of the 9-foot ghost that they also have there is a cheap fan, so I thought this would be a cheap fan, but it is a base fan, which I'm really thankful for. Because I didn't think that it would be a base fan. It is. So let's get it situated and get it plugged in. And I'll also show you guys when I add it to my display today, where I put it and how good it looks on display. Ooh, wow. There it is. And it does scrape the ceiling of the garage. It does look really cool. It is very cool. I love the, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7s. No, 5. There's one over here, yeah, just 4, 6, 5. I love the cloth, it looks really cool. Love it, it looks really cool, I love this inflatable. It'll be going with the 7-foot Reaper that I got last year. I don't know if I want to put them side by side because I don't want their faces to kind of clash together since they have the same face. So I don't know, but yeah. It's really cool. It inflates very tightly and very quickly. It's a really powerful fan, which I'm really thankful for. But yeah, that is it for the video. I'll be doing a video later of it in the display, so you guys can see that. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.